for making keto almond custard. It's so much better than the regular custard. Let's go. I know it's a big claim to say that this is better than regular keto custard, but this recipe is actually a keto creme patisserie with the addition of almond extract. You may have already had the easy 3-ingredient or 2-ingredient keto custard, but this is rich, it's sweet, and we've got the almond, and once you taste the almond, I don't think you're going to go back to regular custard. This is a serving for one. It makes about 2/3 of a cup. Enjoy it all on its own, as I'm going to do now, or you could make a custard pie with some berries and then bake it. I will leave some links for you in the description box, and speaking of description box, there is your nutritional information and your shopping list there as well. Let's get into this recipe now. Over a medium to high heat, add 1/3 cup of water to a small pan, 1/3 cup of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of sweetener, and I'm using allulose, and a pinch of salt. While you're waiting for that to heat up, separate out 3 eggs because we just need the yolks for this recipe, and you can freeze the egg whites like I'm doing here. Whisk the eggs just a little, then while whisking, add a little of the hot cream to the eggs to temper them. Add more of the cream while continuing to whisk, then place the pan onto the heat and add the egg mixture too, and whisk until it thickens, which took me about 1 minute. You can add 1.5 tablespoons of cold butter at this point for extra richness and fat if you like. Turn off the heat, add 1 teaspoon of almond extract and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract too. Okay, you can see I haven't stopped stirring the custard at all. This is so it doesn't get lumpy. Strain it and then let it cool. Cover with saran or cling wrap, making sure it touches the surface of the custard so a skin doesn't form. Store for up to 3 days and refrigerate, and oh my goodness. For me, this recipe literally took me 5 minutes to make because I cooked the cream on high. And if you love some mug recipes similar to this one, do click on this link. It's a playlist to all our mug recipes. And one last thing, if you love this type of content, short videos, and it's helpful to your diet, I hope you subscribe and click the notification bell so you know when I'm going to post a new recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.
Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and click on this box here. There's another video very similar. And if you're not subscribed, click this box. What are you waiting for?